night now at Animal Kingdom, they light up the Tree of Life, which I think is so beautiful. It really adds to the nighttime experience here at Animal Kingdom. It used to be such a dark park, but now it's totally worth staying in the evening and seeing how beautiful everything is at night. I love how they've lit up the tree, and you almost forget that it is the Tree of Life because the projections are so clear. But it's such a beautiful show. They have multiple ones throughout the night, so it's definitely worth hanging out here in the main hub to watch the shows. So they just added this little photo spot here. The Lion King, Timon, Pumbaa, and Simba in front of this really cool waterfall. It's beautiful at night. And I'm sure it's a really neat photo spot during the day. Just to kind of give you an idea of where we are, here's the Island Mercantile, and the Tree of Life is just behind it over there. You can kind of see the lights through the trees. And then if you go this way, you can see Tiffins. Here's Pizzafari. You can see Tiffins back there, and then further down that walkway is Pandora. So these are beautiful doors going into Tiffins. All of the footprints of different animals on the ground. So here in the waiting room, look at this gorgeous ceiling. Do you think that's gold foiling or gold paint?
It's gold paint.
Hello, hello, hello! We are here at Animal Kingdom, and we are celebrating our 3rd wedding anniversary. Yeah, 3 years.
She hadn't kicked me out yet.
Nope, not yet. So we are here, like I said, at Animal Kingdom, and we are having dinner at Tiffins, which is one of the signature restaurants. So Ryan has been here once before. This is my very first time. So I'm excited. He really enjoyed it the first time that he was here. So we will show you what we get and let you know what we think. So we were just seated in Tiffins for dinner, and we were seated in the truck gallery room. Our hostess said that there are 3 different galleries. And this one was inspired by the Imagineer's trek to Asia. So how cute is this menu? It looks like a little journal book, and it actually clasps. And then you open it up, and then here's your menu. I'll give you a view of the appetizers and your main courses. Lobster mac and cheese, and then some of our specialty cocktails. So Ryan is getting the tempting tigress, and I think I'm getting the high top rocks.
And that's good.
So we are starting off with the bread service. You see there are the different types of breads in here, and then it comes with a coriander sauce, tomato paste, and a sweet fig jam, which will be my jam because I love that stuff. So So I got the short ribs with cauliflower and parsnips. It looks amazing. And then Ryan got the surf and turf. Also looks amazing with purple Peruvian potatoes, which are so good. Everything looks delicious. Can't wait to eat it. So our awesome server Derek found out that it was our anniversary and brought us this adorable plate. So he said this was a passion fruit truffle, a strawberry pâte à fouille.
Yes.
And this here is a chocolate meringue. And then he also gave us this bark, which is a cinnamon caramel bark.
Chocolate crunch.
There might be some chocolate crunch. It was a really long name. But yeah, all the treats. So this is the Nomad Lounge, which is a bar. And it's so beautiful. Wow. We will definitely be back here. Because it's also an inside and outside space as well. You can kind of see seating outside. A fun spot to hang out, to take a break from the heat. So this room that we're going to be walking into is the Safari Gallery, which is so beautiful. I love this wall treatment. It's actually not even coming off on camera, as beautiful as it is when you walk into the room. Wow. That wall treatment is gorgeous. Here is the third room, the Grand Gallery. And they said this is all based off of the Disney Conservation Fund. And all of the animals that they are working with the Conservation Fund are displayed on the walls. Oh look, that's a one of the costumes from the Festival of the Lion King. I love this wall too. It's like every room has an incredible wall. Hello again. We just finished dinner, which was amazing.
They kicked us out.
They didn't kick us out. No. The park is closed, which is cool, so we'll be able to get some fun shots, hopefully. But like I said, this was Ryan's second time here and my first time, and I thought it was great.
Oh, it was tasty.
Yeah, it was so good. My drink was amazing. A little special anniversary treat. Bread service was great. I wouldn't compare it to the Sanaa bread service,
no,
because you get a lot more sauces with the Sanaa service, but it was good.
These were a little tiny.
Yeah, yeah, but delicious. The tomato one was a little too hot for me.
That was my favorite.
Yeah. I liked the sweet fig one. And my short ribs were delicious. I didn't even need a knife. It just fell apart right with the fork, and the sauce was amazing. The vegetables were delicious with it. And what do you think about yours?
The surf and turf was awesome.
Yeah. You had the Wagyu?
Yeah. Wagyu beef.
The Wagyu beef.
It was buttery and tender and just melted in your mouth. The lobster tail was a touch on the chewy side, but was still super tasty. And the purple potatoes were awesome.
We're big purple potato fans here.
But overall, it was terrific.
Yeah, we would definitely come back. I mean, you've already been, you're already back. But we would definitely come back here, and we definitely want to spend some time in the Nomad Lounge, because that's beautiful.
For sure.
It's got a great view on the outside, which of course I can't show you because it's nighttime, but trust me, I will have some footage for you in the future. Yes, so I'm gonna end this video here. I'll probably add some footage of the park as we're walking out, but I hope you like this video. It was a little different from what I have done in the past, but if you did like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you've ever been to this restaurant or what your favorite Disney restaurant is, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good night. Bye.
I feel like I say that every park at night is my favorite, but like, you're beautiful.